A simple way to make money online on ClickBank. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to make money on ClickBank. Easy and simple way. All you need to do is find the offer, generate an article, and you're going to publish on a website which is going to generate organic traffic for you. And you can use the organic traffic to make money online. All you have to do is create a content. Again, if you want to make money online, you need to put a work to make money online. So watch the video until the end for the entire tutorials how to make money on ClickBank using a article generator, a AI that's going to generate article, and in a website have millions of free organic traffic every single day. Before that, guys, if you want to learn how to make money online in a legal and free way, just watch this video, like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I don't want to take your lots of time, guys. This is a ClickBank backend. They changed the entire out layer. So here you need to select top offers. Now you can select any offer you want. Up to you guys, but you need to generate content for it. But I want to target a niche that have a low competition. So you can play around this ClickBank website and find the one you like. So for example, first what you do, click gravity. After that, straight away you go to here. This is a category. You need to find a category that have offers on it at the same time have a low competition. How you find that? You can use a Google AdWord to check the keyword search every single month. Is a competition like low or medium or high? So for example, I want to promote offers on self-help. On that, I want to promote stress management related product. These are the offers that I can promote and easily make money. But I want to check if I have a competition. How far is a competition is it? Then you can see stress management, that keyword have a less competition, so I can easily rank my articles on any other website, including my own website. Then you can see stress management under 10,000 views every single month, searches, and this keyword stress management strategies, they have 100 to 1,000 searches every single month, and the competition is very low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the content around these keywords, and I'm going to put it on a website called Medium. Medium is one of the websites that you can post articles. You can make money from Medium if the article hit on the Medium list. For example, if the Medium think that your article getting hundreds or thousands of views, they will start to promote, they have put it on their own subsidiary of their websites, and you make money from Medium as well as you can make money from ClickBank at the same time. So I'm going to show you how you're going to generate article. First, you find a keyword that you want to generate article around it. After you find the keyword, you need to go to this website called Jasper AI. There's a link in the description. If you click and sign up, you can get 10,000 words. You can see 10,000 credit for free for 7 days, guys. Just, you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to put the credit card, anything. Just go to this website, sign in, and generate articles. If you think this website is good for you, then only you upgrade. But I'm going to show you how you can generate entire blog post within 5 minutes without doing any work. So you're going to click this one called templates. This is the new upgrade on the section. It's called document. Here you're going to click go to workflow and select blog post workflow, and you're going to click start from workflow. Now it will take to this page where you're going to put the title of the blog post. So you're going to put the title, which is the stress management, which is our title. Okay, copy that, and you're going to put the title. Voice, you can select anything. I put serious. You can do Iron Man type voice, or you can choose any celebrity what you come, and it's up to you guys. And click on it. You're going to click this one called generate. And these are the title or subheadings you're going to generate under this keyword stress management strategy. Before that, what you're going to do, click copy, and you're going to click this one called on the side, it's called a blog post intro paragraph, and you're going to put the title here, and the audience, which audience you want to target, and the tone of voice, and it will generate 3 output. You can select how many output you want. I select 3 different output and 3 different intro for this articles is already ready. So when you do click this arrow sign, it will automatically add it here. Okay, thus intro is done. Again, what you do, click this one called blog post workflow. After your intro paragraph is ready, you have to go to blog post workflow, back again. You're going to click next, and it will take to your first subheadings. Here are your first subheadings, and you're going to put the keywords that you want to target in that each paragraph or each subheading. You're going to put like stress, like this, dealing with stress, way to manage stress, all the keywords that you get it from Google AdWords, right? After you put that, what you're going to do, you're going to click next. Now subheading is on there and the paragraph for this subheading is done. You're going to click next, and automatically on the left side you can see this is your subheading and this is your paragraph for each subheading. You're going to repeat that every single subheading. And if you don't like any of the for example any of the paragraph here, you can click regenerate and it will regenerate different paragraph for the subheading. After everything done, I'm going to show you how your article look like. So this is untitled, this is the one I use now, this is the one I already generated. If you click and open, you can see this is my introduction, this is my subheading, and this article is ready, and it's like 1089 words roughly. So what I'm going to do is I can control all copy, go to Medium and create a Medium partner program. If you already created, then you can post article and get paid from Medium as well. So you're going to click this right article icon here. Like WordPress, you're going to copy and paste it on here. That's it, your article pasted on here. So you're going to give a title for that. The title is the same as this one. Copy the keyword and put it on here. You can add as many as words that you want on the title. Okay, this is the title. Now I'm going to add the picture for my article. So I go to Pixel, I download anything that related to stress. I already download that. After you put the picture, title, and copy and paste entire thing, and you can promote your affiliate products. So I want to promote this product. It's about curing panic attack and anxiety. So what you're going to do, click promote. Okay, your nickname, you're going to put it there. And you're going to create hop link. And this is your hop link. Copy this. Go back to your articles. You're going to insert any word, like if you want to manage the stress or get rid of anxiety, repeat, something like that. You put it in the end of that articles, and you're going to highlight it and click this link button and paste the affiliate link. Enter. That's it. Your affiliate link here. Also, you can put the affiliate link in the middle, or you can highlight any of the keywords like here, like this, and click link button, put the affiliate link. That's it. Your key affiliate link is inserted already, and you're going to click publish button here. You're going to, in this section, you need to put up to 5 keywords related to your article. So for example, the type stress, that you can see these are the 5 keywords, top 5 keywords people are searching on Medium surrounding stress, stress management, stress relief. You can see the searches every single month, so you can easily rank your article on that. Click that one. Again, you don't have to do anything, just use their keywords. That's it. What you do, click, and you need to select this one called meter your story. That means you get paid from Medium when your article started to get lots of attention or lots of audience, guys. And you're going to click publish now. That's it, your article is published on Medium. Like that, imagine that you're going to have one product here. This is the one keyword, and this is a one product that's going to make you like $32. All you have to do is generate unlimited articles on these keywords. So for example, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 articles, guys. The whole 9 keywords have a less competition. So all you have to do is just generate 9 different articles on that keyword, and it's going to take around 10 to 20 minutes per article to generate and polish those articles, and it's going to take another 5 minutes to publish on Medium for each article. So within 2 to 3 hours, 10 articles you can generate and publish on Medium on one single affiliate product. Now this article will be here for a very long time. You're going to generate organic traffic, and from that you can make a passive income, guys. All you have to do is you have to put a little work in the front, and you need to find a website that can generate a organic traffic for your content. Then you can forget about it and you can make money every single day. So the site like Medium, YouTube, even social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, there's a content going to be available for a long time. All you have to do is find the keyword, have a low competition, and also you need to make sure those keywords are people searching on those Medium. Like Medium, there's some people are searching on it. If you're going to publish this article in the video format on YouTube, make sure the keywords people are searching on YouTube, put those keywords in the title and the content people are searching for it. Your content going to appear in front of them. They can read, or they can watch, and they're going to click the affiliate link and they're going to buy it. If you bring 100 audience, one person going to buy you $32 straight away with your bank account. So for the 100 people, so imagine 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. It's up to you guys. Generate content is the key and publish it, and you can make money online. If you want to watch video like this, let me know in the comment section. I will make that for you guys. And then have a good day. See you next video.